bad man. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Bad man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I got some new nail supplies from Madam Glam New York. I absolutely love the Madam Glam New York brand. If you're familiar with my channel, girl, you know that you've seen me bring you Madam Glam hauls before here on my channel, as they are some of the best gel nail polishes on the market, y'all. I have so many of these. I am so in love with the texture, the consistency, the opaqueness. Everything about this gel is just bomb. And I have some cool colors here for spring. I have 3 beautiful colors here. I did re-up on my base and top coat. I love the base and top coat. The top coat is really, really nice and thick and shiny. It just adds that extra oomph to your nails, and it just makes them look like glass to me. But these are the colors that I picked up. These two are really similar, but I'm more so interested today in this color right here. I'm going to be doing a press-on nail set with this one. This one's called Pivot, and it's like a nudie color. Super cute. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. But I want to show you the other two as well. Like I said, they're really similar. I didn't realize how similar in color these would be. But nonetheless, we're going to use these as well. These are so pretty. Look at these. So I have a bit of that, and my heart goes boom. So pretty. But yeah, this is the one that I'm interested in. We're going to go ahead and do this color today. This is Pivot. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start getting my nails together. I'm a big fan of custom creating my own press-on nails with these blank press-ons that I order from Amazon, but you can get these from any other website other than Amazon. Lots of people sell these, but yeah, I just like ordering them from Amazon because it's just quicker for me because I have a Prime membership. But these are the nails, okay? I have other styles as well. We'll probably use these next. These are the long claw-shaped Cleo nails, but yeah, I also got this gel nail lamp from Madam Glam. I'm going to be showing you that one as well. I think this is my first one from them, I do believe. So yeah, and these are my forms that I use to set up my nails while I paint them. So let's go ahead and get into the video, shall we? I'm going to start by picking out the size nails that I'm going to need for my fingers, and then start sticking them down to the putty on my nail art display form here. Now this was picked up from Amazon as well. I'll have all of these things linked down below in the description box for you. Alright, so once you have all your nails picked out to the right sizes, you're going to stick them on your form putty just like this, okay? Alright, so now we're ready for painting. And as I said, we're going to go in with Pivot. This is what we're using today. I'm going to buff the top of the nails so that the paint sticks perfectly to the nails. I'm just going to take a nail file and just lightly buff the tops of the nails to take some of the shine off. And yeah, we're ready to begin our painting. With Pivot. This color is so beautiful. OMG. So beautiful. And this is just one coat. Look at that. So beautiful, so opaque, one coat. But we're gonna go ahead and cure this, and we're gonna definitely do 2 coats because I love full, rich color. I'm gonna try out their little UV nail lamp. This is what comes in the little pack. All right, so it goes just about 60 seconds at a time, which is great. And then it'll automatically shut off like you just saw. All right, so now we're ready for our second coats. Oh, this color is beautiful. All right, so now that we're done with the second coat, I'm gonna cure it. And then I was torn between black designs on my nails, or do I want white? I'm really feeling the black though. I might do white later, but the black is hidden. So we're gonna go with the black. So we're just creating some abstract nails. So cute. And this is black gel striping polish. I got this from Amazon. And it's just so easy to use. You don't have to be an extreme nail artist to do this, because I am not a professional. These are what the nails look like. Go ahead and cure it, and then I'm going to add a little bling, and then our nail set is complete. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam top coats. We're going to top them off. So pretty. But I am thinking about adding a little bling to them, so yeah. Let me add bling to this one here. Yeah, that one. We're gonna do one nail with some bling. We love our bling bling. So we're just topping off with our top coat. These nails are so amazing. So we got 2 plain ones with no art. 3 with amazing black lines, abstract lines. These are gonna look like boutique nails when we're done. Like, girl, who did your nails? I did them. So now they're glazed, okay? Let me grab the bling. All right, so this is the nail gem glue that I'm gonna be using. It's like a thick, really thick, super thick gel. And And this is really good with adhering down your rhinestones. I've been using this for a while, and it is good. And this is another one that I pick up from Amazon as well. See, look at it. Look how thick and gooey it is, but it works. You don't want to put a whole lot because you don't want it to just be, you know, so visible. But you want enough though. This is the perfect amount in my opinion. I'm just going to evenly spread it because I just want it at the base of the, I just want the gems, you know, to crown the cuticle, if that makes sense. And I'm just using a tiny little orange stick, and I'm going to pick up my gems with it. Start with the bigger one towards the middle. Just like that. See, it's right here. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the final product. Doing your own nails is just so relaxing. Alright, so this is the finished product. So beautiful. I love them. So now I'm going to go ahead and put them on. Alright guys, now that my nails are finished, here are the final results. I actually really love them. I think they came out really nice. Let me know down below in the comments area, what did you think of today's nails? I absolutely love this set. Super cute. I can't wait to try this in different colors with the white and black, and some different colors added in, like gold, maybe some abstract foils. Really cute. But yeah, this is a great alternative to go into the nail shop spending hundreds of dollars on getting custom blinged out nails. Yeah, I love it. It actually came out good. So don't skip over the description box. All of the links will be down below, as well as a discount code for Madam Glam products, because you definitely want Madam Glam products in your life. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye, and be sure to check out my other nail videos that I have here on my channel.